Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Can you hear me, beta? Can you hear me, beta? Turn on your cameras, beta. First of all, turn on your cameras. Walaikum assalam, beta. I'm fine.
Assalamu alaikum, Miss.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
Miss, I am fine.
Good. So, beta, turn off your mic and turn on your cameras. Okay. Okay, beta. First of all, today we are going to discuss some important instructions for your mock exam as well as your final term exams. Is it clear? So, I hope yesterday you have attempted any mock exam and you will now better understand about the process of your attempting your mock and attempting your final exams. Am I right?
मिस आपकी आवाज बहुत स्लो आ रही है.
मुझे आपकी आवाज़ भी बहुत स्लो लग रही है. बेटा, hear me properly? Tell me, beta. Can you hear me all?
अभी भी स्लो आ रही है.
Slow.
यस मैं स्लो आ रही है.
अच्छा, अब ठीक आ रही है.
मेरे पास तो आपके
हाँ,
पास
मैं
कुछ नहीं आ रही है.
नो मिस.
बेटे
मेरे पास
मेरी
आपके पास कुछ ठीक आ रही है.
बेटे मेरी तरफ से तो बिल्कुल सही है. मैं चेक कर चुकी हूँ और
मैं
मैं
सब सही आ रही है.
ठीक है. थैंक यू बेटा. थैंक यू सो मच. अच्छा, आप मुझे बताइए कि कल आपने कौन कौन से मॉक अटेम्प्ट किए हैं.
मिस इस्लामियात. मिस उर्दू का इस्लामियात.
मैथ्स इस्लामियात और उर्दू.
ओके.
उर्दू इस्लामियात और इंग्लिश का.
ओके. डिड यू फेस एनी टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम?
नो.
यस बेटा. Yes, beta. You can ask any type of question
मैं
regarding
सस्ती का
mock.
पेपर कितने मार्क्स में?
हाँ, I'm going to tell you. Don't you worry. First of all, open your books. Chapter Pakistan since 1947. Is it clear? First of all, open your books, turn on your cameras. Then after that, I am going to tell you the paper pattern of your SST subject. Is it clear? Turn off your mic, beta. Okay. Most of the students are not going to turn on their cameras, then I will put you in the waiting room now. I will wait just for 5 minutes. Is it clear? So turn on your cameras.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, beta.
Miss, can you hear me?
Yes, beta, I can.
मिस कल मेरा फोन जो है ना जमीन में गिर गया था तो उसकी वजह से उसका कैमरा खराब हो गया, इसकी वजह से मैं खोल नहीं पा रही और मिस मुझे आपकी आवाज भी नहीं आ रही, मतलब बहुत अटक अटक के आ रही है।
बेटा वो तो शायद इंटरनेट इशू हो सकता है, आपके मोबाइल का इशू हो सकता है, और आप चैट बॉक्स में भी बात कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? अगर कोई आपको
ठीक है मिस,
क्वेश्चन पूछना
मैं
है
आवाज सही आ रही है।
ठीक है मिस।
Okay, most of the students are here, so I want to tell you first of all the paper pattern. Is it clear? Paper pattern of your final term, and then after that I will tell you about your mock paper. Is it clear? Today you are not in uniform. Why? Where is your uniform, beta? Zuhaib, कैमरा नहीं बंद करना आप. हाँ, where is your uniform?
मैंने पहना ही नहीं।
Why? वो तो दिख रहा है ना, आपने पहना ही नहीं. You have to wear your uniform, beta. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, I can see Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali is in proper uniform and very good. And Rumessa and Iman. Okay, आज थोड़ी थोड़ी चिटिंग चल रही है ना, यूनिफॉर्म के हवाले से. ओके, यहाँ भी देखिए माशाल्लाह अली आसिफ
मैंने आसमान नहीं
विदाउट
पहना।
यूनिफॉर्म, है ना. अली आसिफ ने बोला कि आप बुक देखिए, आप मुझे क्यों देख रहे हैं. Okay, Shahroz is in proper uniform now. Okay, beta. So, without wasting our time, we are going to start and discuss our paper patterns. So, uh, your first form will be in MCQs type. Is it clear? So, first form will be MCQs based. Is it clear? आपका जो पहला फॉर्म है वो MCQs based होगा, right? And I think you have to attempt 25 MCQs. Is it clear? You have to attempt 25 MCQs. If you are going to attempt 25 MCQs, then I will give you the specific time of 30 or 35 minutes. Is it clear? So I will give you the specific time of 35 or 40 minutes. So it is enough time to attempt the first form, because I'm going to give you the specific time, much time, so that you can understand all the instructions, you can read all the instructions clearly, and you can understand the instructions clearly. Is it clear? So after attempting your MCQs based form, I will restrict this form after 35 or 40 minutes, and everything will be written on the top of the form, like instructions and time, and also the, who is this beta?
The fuck
Turn
up.
off your,
Shut the fuck up.
okay, काफी बदतमीजी हो गई. Okay, so there are MCQs. First form will be MCQs based. Then you have to attempt 25 MCQs within specific time. The most important thing is you have to attempt the MCQs within specific time. First of all, you have to read clearly and carefully all the instructions which will be written on the top of the first form. Is it clear? Then you have to attempt your form, and it will be much time. There will be much time. There will be enough time to attempt your MCQs, but first of all, read the instructions very carefully. If you will not read the instructions carefully, then you will face different type of the problems for in attempting the exam. Is it clear? Okay. So second form will be based on 15 true false. Second form will be based on true false. Is it clear? So you have to click the only the true false, but same here. You can read the instructions within 2 or 3 minutes. When there will be 15 minutes, then I think I will give you the 20 minutes or 15 minutes for attempting the true false, because in MCQs you have to manage the three options. You have to read the three options, then you have to think about these options and click the options. But in true false, you have to just read the specific sentence and click the true or false. So there will be 15 true false, then might be possible the time will be almost 15 minutes, 1 minute for one true false or one specific sentence. Is it clear? Raise your hands if you are clear about two first forms, then raise your hands. And if you have any type of query, any type of question, then you can ask me. Okay.
मिस कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, beta.
मिस मुझे आपसे बस एक क्वेश्चन पूछना था। मिस ये जो मॉक होगा, मिस का जो मार्क्स होंगे वो इंक्लूड होंगे
नहीं नहीं,
किसी
मॉक
चीज?
के मार्क्स नहीं हैं, मॉक के मार्क्स नहीं हैं. Is it clear? If there will be marks, then these marks are for your practice. The marks of mock in any subject will not be included in any type of annual result. Is it clear?
मिस
मैं एसएसटी के पेपर कितने मार्क्स का होगा?
75 marks. Is it clear? 75 marks. Okay. Okay, beta. Thank you so much. So, third form will be uploaded in the shape of column matching. Is it clear? So, there will be the questions of column matching. So, listen very carefully. Your third form will be based on column matching, and in the form, there will be 3 sections having 5, 5, and 5 columns. Is it clear? First of all, you have to attempt 5 column matching. It will be the section A. Then you have to attempt the section B, and there will be 5 other column matchings. And then there will be the third section, section C, and it will be also based on the 5 other column matchings. So total column matchings are 15, and this will be the form number 3. Is it clear? Okay, Sharoz, I will give you the practice mock form in the shape of column matching. Your
मिस फॉर्म नंबर 3 कितने मार्क्स का होगा?
15 marks.
ओके मिस.
Okay, Sharoz, listen carefully. your third form will be based on column matching. So the column matching is like जैसे आपको वर्टिकल और वर्टिकल शेप में मैं आपको कोई भी एक ऑप्शन दे दूंगी और इसी तरह से हॉरिजॉन्टल शेप में भी आपके पास ऑप्शंस होंगी. जो हॉरिजॉन्टल शेप होगी उसके नीचे आपको बॉक्सेस नज़र आएंगे. सर्कल्स भी आ सकते हैं और स्क्वायर्स में भी आ सकते हैं. उन बॉक्सेस में आप ऊपर से जो राइट ऑप्शन होगी उसको वहां पर क्लिक कर देंगे. इज इट क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर? कुछ जहन में कुछ स्केच बन रहा है? देखिए जो वर्टिकल साइड होगी, वर्टिकल साइड में देखिए ये किस तरह से है. ये हॉरिजॉन्टल है, आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है ना पहली लाइन. इन केस आप देखिए, और ये जो आपको साइड पे स्लाइड्स दिख रही हैं, ठीक है. अब मैं यहाँ पे सपोज मैं यहाँ पे आपको लिखती हूँ पाकिस्तान, ठीक है. पाकिस्तान केम इनटू बीइंग, और यहाँ पे आपको इस शेप में मैं आपको यहाँ पे ऑप्शन डाल देती हूँ 1948, ठीक है. फिर मैं आगे लिखती हूँ लियाकत अली खान, और मैं यहीं पे दूसरी जगह पर दूसरा वर्ड लिख देती हूँ कि लीडर ऑफ द कंट्री, ठीक है. फिर तीसरा वर्ड यहाँ लिख देती हूँ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, और यहाँ पर मैं तीसरा लिख देती हूँ 1973. इज इट क्लियर? अब आपको सबसे पहले
मिस आपकी आवाज पूरी स्लो हो गई है.
अब आपको जब पाकिस्तान केम इनटू बीइंग आप लिखेंगे तो आप यहाँ से करेक्ट आंसर के नीचे बॉक्स बना होगा उसको क्लिक कर देंगे. यहाँ से आप लियाकत अली खान देखेंगे. लियाकत अली खान के हवाले से यहाँ ऊपर की लाइन में आपको कहीं भी कोई ऑप्शन दिख रही है तो आप उसके नीचे वाले बॉक्स में क्लिक कर देंगे. इज इट क्लियर? तलहा, आपको ये बात समझ में आ रही है? कॉलम मैचिंग
यस मिस.
समझ में आ रही है? एक लाइन वर्टिकल होगी,
Yes, yes.
एक लाइन हॉरिजॉन्टल होगी. जो हॉरिजॉन्टल होगी उसके नीचे आपको बॉक्सेस दिखेंगे. जब आप यहाँ से एक ऑप्शन उठाएंगे, सोचेंगे कि यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है पाकिस्तान केम इनटू बीइंग, तो आप ये पहली लाइन में से 5 ऑप्शंस में से जो राइट ऑप्शंस होगी उसके नीचे वहां पर आप क्लिक कर देंगे. इज इट क्लियर? देन कॉलम मैचिंग में ए पार्ट में मैं सिर्फ 5 ऑप्शंस दूंगी, 1 2 3 4 5, ठीक है. इधर भी 5 ऑप्शंस होंगी, 1 2 3 4 5. इनको जब आप मैच कर लेंगे तो आप कॉलम बी पे चले जाएंगे, सेक्शन बी पे. फिर इसी तरह से आपको 5 फॉर्म्स मिलेंगी. इज इट क्लियर? शेरोज, आर यू क्लियर? बताइए. शेरोज, अबीर, अफरा, जुहेब, हलीमा, हानिया, तलहा,
यस मिस.
बेटा आपको
Yes,
कॉलम
miss.
समझ आ गई?
Yes, miss.
ओके.
Yes, miss. Thank you, miss.
Okay, when I will give you the practice form, in the practice form I will give you a form based on column matching. Is it clear? So there will be 15 columns and having 15 marks, and this will be a tricky thing. So you have to attempt it by trick, or so it is a time taking thing. So I will give you 20 or 25 minutes for attempting columns. Is it clear? So this will be your third form. Now the last form. Last form will be based on one word answer. Is it clear? Last form will be based on one word answer. First of all, by the system of Zoom. Beta, I don't understand your question, बेटा शेरोज. जैसे आपके नॉर्मल आप क्विज वगैरह करते हैं उसी तरह से आपका ये भी अटेम्प्ट करेंगे आप गूगल क्लासरूम पर जाकर. उसी तरह से लिंक शेयर होगा और आप अटेम्प्ट
मिस
करेंगे.
आज एसएसटी का मॉक 1 है क्या
कब?
आज?
नहीं, सैटरडे विल बी मॉक ड्रिल.
ओके मिस. टाइम? मिस टाइम?
आई थिंक 10 o'clock.
ओके मिस.
I will upload the time, syllabus and everything one day before. on Google Classroom.
लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन और पेपर में
Sorry.
लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस नहीं आएंगे पेपर में
No. How can you write the long question in the paper? You have to face the typing problem, and every student will write the different answer in his or her own words, so it will not be possible. So everything will be in the MCQs, column matching, true fall shape, but you have to learn all the questions very carefully. Might be possible some questions will be there in the shape of from the long questions. Some MCQs will be from the long questions or short questions. Is it clear? So now I'm going to tell you about the fourth form. Is it clear? So fourth form will be based on the one word answer. And this is very important thing, beta. This is very important thing. और वो important thing क्या है? You have to read the instructions very carefully. Which instructions? These instructions which will be given you on the fourth form for attempting the fourth form. Is it clear? The one word answer. And I also want to tell you verbally these instructions. First of all, you have to read the instructions very carefully, one or two times. And the instructions are that you have to write down the answer in one word, but you have to write down the answer in uppercase. And what is the meaning of uppercase? No answer will be considered or admitted in lowercase. Yes, beta Ali. What are you saying, beta?
जी मिस
आप कुछ कहना चाह रही हैं?
नो मिस
अच्छा
मैं
मैंने
गलती से खुल गया
अच्छा मैंने क्या बोला? अपर केस क्या है?
जी
अपर केस का क्या मतलब है? आपको अपना जो फोर्थ पेपर है वो अटेम्प्ट करना है वन वर्ड आंसर की सूरत में, और वन वर्ड जो है वो अपर केस में होना चाहिए. एनीवन who can give me the answer, who can tell me the answer of uppercase?
Capital alphabets में miss.
Yes, Sanya. Yes, well done. You have to write down the answer in the capital letter, the whole answer. For example, I'm asking to you, what is the name of our country? Is it clear? So look at your slides. This is written in the lower case. ठीक है? ये lower case में लिखा है. You have to write down the answer in one word. आपके मुल्क का नाम क्या है? पाकिस्तान. So you have to write down the Pakistan in the capital letters. Is it clear? P is already in capital letter, but all the other words are written in the small letters or lower case. Is it clear? So you have to write all the answer is in
मिस अगर हमने उसमें
uppercase.
लिखा तो मार्क्स कट जाएंगे
बिल्कुल आपको वो एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि मैंने उसके अंदर आंसर जो है वो अपर केस में डाला होगा. ठीक है?
पेपर में भी मॉक में भी
यस.
ओके
Okay, so that's why I'm saying you again and again that you have to read the instructions of every form very carefully. If you have given the 25 or 30 minutes, there will be much time to read the paper carefully. You have to give first 2 or 3 minutes to read the instructions carefully. Yes, beta. It means that the answer should be written in capital word and no punctuations will be accepted. Is it clear? Means के अगर आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है what is the highest plateau of the world or what is the name of other name of the highest plateau, तो the answer will be Pamir Knot. But you are not going to write the Pamir Knot. Is it clear? आप क्या लिखेंगे आंसर उसका? देखिए, is it clear? Sorry, first letter will be
मिस आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
beta look at the chat box. Okay, this will be the right answer. Look at your chat box beta. Is it clear? आप देख रहे हैं? This is the actually uppercase. Is it clear? If I'm going to ask the name of any plateau, then you will write down the answer in one word. These are not the two words. This is the name, so it is called one word. Is it clear? So you have to write down the answer in yes. Ramiz Yasin, raise the screen, hurry up right now and behave yourself. Is it clear, beta? Tell me in your chat box. Okay. Why Rida, beta? Rida, you have to write down the every word of your one word question's answer in capital letter. Is it clear?
मिस
Okay. Yes, Tanya. Yes. Yes, beta.
मिस
Yes.
मिस चैट बॉक्स में तो कुछ भी नहीं लिखा हुआ.
बेटा
मिस
कैसे
मुझे भी नहीं दिखा.
क्यों नहीं दिख रहा बेटा? मैंने तो वहां पर टाइप किया है ना.
मिस आपने
मुझे भी नहीं
चैट
दिखा.
बॉक्स में तो
मिस
कुछ नहीं
मुझे
आया.
अच्छा
चैट बॉक्स में कुछ नहीं आया.
चैट बॉक्स में कुछ नहीं आया.
ओके बेटा. ओके बेटा, आपको हानिया ने जो लिखा वो तो शो हो रहा है ना?
यस मिस.
हो रहा है ना शो? हानिया ने जो लिखा है सेम मैंने भी
मिस जैसे हानिया ने लिखा है मैं वैसे लिखना है वन वर्ड आंसर में.
यस
बड़ा
यस.
कैपिटल लेटर में पूरे मतलब पूरा पैराग्राफ तो कैपिटल लेटर में.
इज इट क्लियर? जैसे हानिया ने लिखा है हम वैसे लिखेंगे. इज इट क्लियर? ओके. अब आपको समझ में आ रहा है? एनी क्वेश्चन? सो आपको ये जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन है ना इसको इसी तरह से करना है. ठीक है? लास्ट क्वेश्चन को आपने ओके जो आपका लास्ट फॉर्म है यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द आंसर ऑफ योर लास्ट
मिस
क्वेश्चन इन वन वर्ड. यस बेटा.
निजो वो जो मतलब जो ऊंचा माउंटेन है वो पमीर कोनाट लिखा हुआ है बुक में, तो पमीर कोनाट लिखेंगे तो उस पे कुछ वो तो नहीं होगा?
नो बेटा, पामीर कोनाट नहीं है, पामीर नॉट है. के इज साइलेंस. इज इट क्लियर? सो यू हैव
फिर दा लगाएंगे उस पे?
no 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 and this will be written in the instructions that no punctuations will be accepted. You have to write down just the name, just the one
Okay.
word answer. Is it clear? But listen.
नाइल है तो जैसे रिवर नाइल है तो द रिवर नाइल कुछ भी नहीं लिखना, सिर्फ नाइल लिखना है.
Yes, if I think I will give you the specific question in the shape of that type, that I will also write down the word river, so it will be easy for you the write down the only name. Is it clear? इस तरह से आपके लिए ओनली नेम जो है वो लिखना इजी हो जाएगा. Is it clear? So there will be 10 one-word answers. Understand? ये जैनब ने भी आपको शो किया है, शायद मेरी तरफ कुछ टेक्निकल फॉल्ट है आई थिंक, सो आई कैन नॉट शो यू, बट आई wrote the Pamir note same like Zainab and Hania. Is it clear? So every question of the fourth form will be written in one word, and one word answer will be written in uppercase or in capital letter. No word will be considered which will be written, if the any word will be written in the small letters, the answer will not be considered. So make it your habit that read the instructions very very carefully. Is it clear? तो सबसे पहले आप इस चीज़ की हैबिट बना लीजिए कि इंस्ट्रक्शंस को आपने क्लियरली पढ़ना है. ठीक है? इंस्ट्रक्शंस जो हैं वो आपकी बहुत क्लियरली होनी चाहिए. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, beta. So now, one thing which is very important. First of all, raise your hands if you are clear about your final terms paper pattern. Then I will discuss with you. I want to discuss with you some important things from your book, from your chapter Pakistan since 1947 and history of the provinces of Pakistan. Raise your hands, beta. Abir, Fatima, Afra, Anam.
यस मिस सबको सही है.
Okay. Okay. So, okay. Ramiz, clear the screen, beta. Okay. You have to, first of all, no, beta. Clear the screen immediately. Okay, beta. You can see some dates and different types of events
मिस
on
नहीं हो
the
रही है रेज
screen.
मुझसे, किसी और ने की हुई है.
Taba, erase the screen, beta. Okay. You can see some important things on the screen, like the dates 1956, 23rd March 1956, then 1962. Is it clear? October 7, 1958. So you can see the important thing. So there are so many important dates and events which are present in your two chapters, Pakistan since 1947 and who is this? First of all, so these are two important chapters. Is it clear? These are two important chapters. And these two important chapters, shit. Okay. These two important chapters are important because these are about the dates and events. These two chapters are full of dates and events. Is it clear? So you have to learn these two chapters very, very carefully. Is it clear? You have to learn these chapters very
वैसे ही
carefully.
ऑप्शन डिलीट कर दें.
Who is this? tell me the name. Who is this, beta?
Miss Taba.
I think so. Okay, no problem. Taba, I am going to inform your parents right after the class. You are disturbing the class continuously. Okay, beta. We have not much time, so listen carefully. Underline all the important lines of these two chapters. Underline all the important names, personalities of these two chapters, names like you can see dynasties, different type of dynasties. Underline these lines because I'm going to give you in the column matching dates and events and identify the personalities type pattern. Is it clear? In your form number 3, which is based on column matching, so column matching is based on the important personalities and important dates. Is it clear? So underline these lines. Be careful for both of the chapters and identify the personalities, identify the important dates. If you have some time, then you can make a list of the important dates and events. Is it clear? You can make a list to yourself and you can show me in the next class. You and this will be very beneficial for you. This will be very helpful for you in attempting your paper. Is it clear? I advised this thing in the midterm to the 8th class as well, and they did the same pattern, and it will be uh, very helpful for you as well. Is it clear? So in your spare time, make the important, write down the important, make a column and draw a column and write down in one column, write down the date, and in the other column write down the specific event. You need not to write down the long sentences. For just your reminder, you have to write down the specific word. Like you have to write down the 19, you may write 1973, and in the other column you can write the third constitution. Is it clear? So this type of things, if you will be ready for your exams, this will be very helpful for you. Am I right? Do you understand?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, same like this in the provinces of history of the provinces of Pakistan, you can write down the area, specific area of Pakistan, or specific dynasties, names of the different rajas, and or the when they invaded anywhere, any country invaded anywhere. So read very carefully. You have much time right now. Read very carefully, underline these two chapters because your form number 3 is totally based on dates and events and identify the personalities. Is it clear? Okay. So beta, that's all for today. Any question? If you have any question, we have 1 minute. You can ask me the question. And raise your hands. Everything is clear in your mind, and inshallah when I will upload the MOOC 1 of SST, the concepts will be more clear in your minds for attempting your final exams. Okay. Okay beta, that's all for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, miss.
Allah Hafiz. Thank
Allah.
you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, miss.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz beta.
Allah.
Thank you so much beta.
Allah Hafiz,
Thank you.
miss.
So nice of you.